Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new Pandora gaming box. And now let's unboxing it together and we going to install it to my TV. And let's see, is it difficult or it is easy to install it together. Okay, now let's see, inside the box we have the Pandora box, two spare for the stick control, game control, and USB to USB, user manual, power supply, one VGA cable and one HDMI cable. So that's all inside the box. Okay, here we have two control, this one on the right, this one is on the left. You can hear the sound from the pressing point. And this is the first player, second player. Okay, it's on the back of this box. We have the turn on and off button, power supply, HDMI, VGA, and this one is the audio connection. This one I don't know, maybe the volume up down. This one also don't know, and this one is the two USB. I think we can connect to the controller. Okay, now let's install it together with my TV. Okay, now everything is done, but I not yet input the power supply. So we need to just connect the HDMI from this Pandora box, connect to the TV, and then connect the power supply to the power socket and supply to the Pandora box. And after that, now we turn on the TV and the Pandora box together. Okay, so now we change the TV display to HDMI 1. Okay, now we can see the Pandora box is show up on the TV screen. So we not yet do any setup. When our first time install it, now it show all the Chinese language, and I not yet know how to change the language. So when I find out, I will make a video. Okay, now let's find out any scam that already built in inside this Pandora box. So we have 900 game, you can see. So let's play one game together. Okay, and that's it. That is how it's workable, and the and the installation is not difficult, just plug and play, so you no need to set up anything on this box. Just plug and play, all the button is already set up, but still have the problem is the language. So I need to take time find out how to change language back to English, and the control is if it can change I will show you in the next few video. And now let me say thank you to everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.